In today's digital age, the allure of making money online has never been stronger. The concept of passive income, where you earn money with minimal effort, has revolutionized the way people generate wealth. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or achieve financial independence, the opportunities available in 2024 are abundant and diverse. From affiliate marketing to content creation, cryptocurrency investing to e-commerce, the avenues for earning passive income online are seemingly endless. In this video, we'll explore some of the most lucrative and accessible methods for making money online in 2024. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains one of the most popular and accessible ways to earn passive income online. The concept is simple. You promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels and earn a commission for every sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. In 2024, affiliate marketing has become even more sophisticated with advanced tracking systems, personalized recommendations, and niche-specific partnerships. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide range of products and services to promote, catering to various interests and demographics. 2. Content creation. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, content creation has become a viable career path for many individuals. Whether you're a vlogger, gamer, beauty guru, or DIY enthusiast, there's an audience out there eager to consume your content. By monetizing your videos through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and membership subscriptions, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. In 2024, the demand for high-quality, engaging content continues to grow, presenting ample opportunities for creators to monetize their creativity and expertise. 3. E-commerce. The e-commerce industry has experienced explosive growth in recent years, fueled by the convenience of online shopping and the rise of platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, dropshipping products, or launching your own branded merchandise, e-commerce offers limitless potential for generating passive income online. In 2024, consumers are increasingly turning to online retailers for their shopping needs, creating a thriving marketplace for entrepreneurs to capitalize on. By leveraging social media advertising, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization, you can attract customers to your online store and generate consistent sales revenue. 4. Cryptocurrency investing. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a disruptive force in the financial world, offering investors the opportunity to profit from the rise of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. While the volatility of the crypto market presents inherent risks, it also opens up the possibility of substantial returns for savvy investors. In 2024, the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency continues to accelerate, with major corporations, financial institutions, and governments embracing blockchain technology and digital currencies. By diversifying your investment portfolio and staying informed about market trends, you can potentially earn passive income through capital appreciation, staking rewards, and yield farming. 5. Online courses and digital products. If you possess specialized knowledge or skills in a particular area, you can monetize your expertise by creating and selling online courses, ebooks, webinars, and digital products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad provide tools and resources for entrepreneurs to package their knowledge into marketable products and reach a global audience. In 2024, the demand for online education and digital content continues to rise, driven by the increasing emphasis on remote learning and skill development. By identifying niche markets and delivering valuable content, you can generate passive income while empowering others to learn and grow. 6. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate has long been considered a lucrative investment opportunity, but it traditionally required substantial capital and expertise to get started. However, the advent of real estate crowdfunding platforms has democratized access to property investments, allowing individuals to pool their resources and invest in a diverse range of real estate projects. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and Roofstock offer investors the chance to earn passive income through rental income, property appreciation, and debt investments. In 2024, real estate crowdfunding continues to gain traction as investors seek alternative sources of income and diversification within their investment portfolios. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms connect borrowers with investors, providing an alternative source of financing outside of traditional banking institutions. By lending money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, and Upstart, investors can earn passive income through interest payments on their loans. In 2024, P2P lending remains a viable option for generating passive income, offering competitive returns and greater flexibility compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. However, it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence and assess the risk-reward profile of each lending opportunity before committing your capital. The prodigious power of passive income has transformed the landscape of online entrepreneurship, offering individuals the opportunity to achieve financial freedom and build wealth on their own terms. Whether you're a budding affiliate marketer, content creator, e-commerce entrepreneur, or crypto investor, there's never been a better time to capitalize on the myriad opportunities available in 2024. By leveraging technology, creativity, and strategic thinking, you can create multiple streams of passive income that provide long-term financial security and peace of mind. So why wait? Start exploring your options today and embark on the journey towards financial independence in the digital age. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep chasing those passive income dreams.